ASML is currently trading at $624. What is the price target for 2030? This is what I'm going to cover in this video. Previously, we did a few videos on ASML, so we will not be repeating ASML's business model, balance sheet metrics, growth potential, and challenges they face. We will only focus on its valuation for 2030. Before we continue with this video, please note that this is not financial advice. We're not qualified to give financial advice. We're simply recording our thoughts about ASML. Please do not buy the stock because of this video. Please do your own research. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. For 2025, ASML gave revenue guidance between 30 and 35 billion euros. But recently, they're hinting at the lower limit of the revenue guidance being achievable. ASML also reaffirming that they can make about 64 billion euros of revenue by 2030. ASML's bookings dropped during the recent quarter, and therefore the stock had negative reaction. Now, in the short term, ASML has a lot of headwinds with respect to geopolitics and tariffs. ASML is struggling with sanctions on China as they make significant amount of revenue from China. But we all know they have unrivaled product offering. Due to this, as you can see on the screen, I am assuming that they can make 60 billion euros of revenue by 2030. Now here, I'm using euro and dollar interchangeably, but by 2030, we may have euro valued more than the US dollar. So I am assuming 27% net profit margin for ASML, with which they can make about 16 billion euros of net income in 2030. Previously, I did assign a conservative multiple of 30, but for this case, I will assign 35. With that, they will be worth about 570 billion euros by 2030. Currently, they have 392 million outstanding shares, but since ASML is very profitable, they should be able to buy back shares even after paying the dividends and spending capital expenditures. I am assuming that they will have 350 million outstanding shares by 2030. This will result in 1,600 euro stock price by 2030 for ASML. Based on the current price of $624, the gain is 150% in 6 years, which is really attractive. Now, in the great execution case, I am assuming 40 multiple and 30% net margin. This will result in around 2,000 euro stock price by 2030 for ASML. Now, based on the current price of $624, the gain is 228% in 6 years, which is absolutely attractive. Overall, we're looking at an unrivaled company that is going through short-term headwinds. Now, it is a good opportunity to grab a few shares for my case as a start. Of course, I will not buy a chunk. Short-term headwinds should give me plenty of opportunities to buy the stock at a lower price than 624. So I will be dollar cost averaging into this stock. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.